update on my background slime because I haven't done an update on them. And also I'm gonna be doing a slime makeover on my other slime. So yeah, it's gonna be a 2 and 2. So let's get straight on into the video. Alright guys, so here's the first slime. So we had a Thanksgiving theme, and that is what this one is. It's supposed to be a bread slime, bread dough, like a yeast roll type deal. Anyways, here it is. I think I did a pretty good job on it. I don't know. I see there's a lot of bread slimes now on Instagram, and this is my first attempt at it, and I don't know if I did good or not, so yeah. Anyways, I like it. It's like, it hasn't melted like at all, and it's actually pretty stretchy and pretty like soft and like kind of fluffy. So I like it a lot. That is it for this one. I did kind of, I tried to inflate it a little bit. That's how it was. If you guys want to know how to make any of these slimes, just go back to Slimeatory background slime makeover. I think that's what it's called. Next one is this one. It's supposed to be like fall themed, this one. It didn't turn out very well like how I wanted it to. But basically what it was supposed to be is the sky with like fall leaves. Those are the leaves. So here it is. Alright guys, so here it is. I still like it. It's very pretty. It's a bit melted, but I made it a while ago, so pretty good. I'll activate it now. So yeah. Alright, so that's the update for that one. Next is this one, guys. This one, I don't know what I was thinking for it. I think it was just supposed to be leaves, you know? So yeah. Alright, well I put a lot of bubbles in that. I'm gonna go ahead and activate it now, and we can get on to the next one. Alright guys, here's the next one. This one was a actual like makeover I did of like a Halloween one, and I turned it into this. So now it's kind of like a turkey phloem type deal. Alright, well that is it for that one. It's not really much to show. Next is this one right here. This one is like glossy thick slime, and I really like how it turned out. But before it was like yellow, orange, and red, and it just kind of mixed on its own, so yeah, that really sucks, but at least we have this, whatever this is. Like, I don't know how it got so thick, but yeah, it's super thick and really nice. Alright guys, here is the last one I'm going to do. This one was my whole bowl of mashed potatoes, which I was so happy about, but the freaking gravy went to the bottom, and I have no idea why, because this mashed potatoes is so much thicker than the gravy. The gravy was like thin, it was like jiggly slime. So I have no idea why it went to the bottom, but anyways, let's go ahead and take it out. Do you guys see that mashed potatoes? Like, doesn't it look so cool? Like, I absolutely loved it, and then the gravy like ruined it. So let's try and take the gravy out. Although the gravy kind of looks cool now, but yeah. I love the mashed potatoes. It's like a cloud cream, so like it's like super like it really looks like mashed potatoes. Like, it's bally. Alright guys, just wanted to show you, this is the gravy that I took from it. It actually looks kind of cool, like actual gravy, but it like mixed with the instant snow and everything. Alright, well I guess we are all done with it, and let's get on to these slime makeovers. Alright guys, so I decided I'm going to do a little makeover on this one. This is from when I added a bunch of random stuff that I found at Bath & Body Works. It's kind of sticky, but that's okay. It's actually good. And this one was the one where I put perfume in it. It basically became foggy, but it also became really sparkly. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some of this Crazy Art clear slime because I have no more clear slime. And I'm going to hope that this doesn't make the slime like hard or anything. That's why I said it's good that it's sticky, because this tends to make the slime a bit harder. So yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna mix that in there just to make it a bit bigger, because it is like small. Yeah, it's already starting to like become hard. Alright, well I think that's better anyways, even though it got a bit harder. It's fine. I decided I wanted to add a bit of hair gel actually to it to try and make it a bit softer. So yeah, I'm just gonna try that really quick. Hopefully that works. Alright, well I think that's really good. I realized that I just put a bunch of bubbles in that when I was gonna add some pigment. Anyways, so for this one I decided I'm gonna make it a bit darker. So I'm gonna put some pink food coloring. Alright, there it is. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this gold pigment because I thought it'd look cool. Alright guys, so here is this slime. I think it looks really good. I really like it. You can really see the pigment in it, and I think it looks really good. I'm liking this one. Cannot wait till it clears up, because I kind of put like a lot of bubbles in it. Next it is this one, guys. So this one is a teal cloud cream. I have absolutely no idea where it's from or when I made it, but it's actually super nice. Like, it's actually really fluffy. I have absolutely no idea when I made this. I feel like I made it when I did like some type of crazy art slime or something. I don't know. You guys comment down below if you know what video this is from. And yeah. So what should we put in this slime? Like my challenge, you guys have to say I love slime so much, and then put the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Were you savage enough? Let's get back to the slime. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna go ahead and add some pink food coloring to this because I think it'll look cool as like, wait a second. I was gonna make it purple, but I just realized it has a really cool teal color, so we might be able to make it look even cooler if we add some yellow to make it more green. So I'm gonna go get some yellow now. Add that, that's good. I need some more. That was a lot apparently, and now it is just full on green, but that's okay. I don't know, I kind of like the color I was before. Uh-oh. You know what, I'm gonna add a bit of blue. Just gonna be putting only a little bit, just to give it, make it a little bit more teal or blue. Alright, well that's what my freaking slime turned into. I don't really like it, but whatever. Guys, I really don't like my slime and what it turned into. So I don't know what to do. I think I should have just added pink. But I guess I'll just leave it like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some of this holographic glitter. That was a lot, but whatever. And then some of this holographic glitter. It's the same thing, but it's fine. Like, very thin. Ta-da! Ooh, this looks so cute, guys. Look at that. Look at, I love how glitter looks in cloud cream because it like sticks out so well. This is going to kind of be like my Christmas tree slime. I'm going to put these little confetti sprinkles. They kind of remind me of like ornaments, I feel like, so yeah. Alright, well that is it for that one. I think it actually turned out pretty good. I'm happy. I'm happy now. Next we're gonna do, guys, is this white one. This is such an old slime, guys. It's basically just clay. No, like, I don't know when I made this, but no, what? I think it's Daiso clay. I think I just added like a little bit of slime to Daiso clay and I made it super clayey, and then I just put it inside this container. It's just been there. Alright, I'm gonna add this white slime, but I just want to show you guys this white slime really quick that I made a while ago. I forgot, like 2 weeks ago probably. It's just a white base, literally just school glue, and it is the glossiest thing ever and like the thickest. It's really nice. I know it's not super thick, but like, I think it's actually pretty good. Like, it is so glossy and so thick, and all it is school glue. Alright, so let's get our slime. And we're gonna put the slime on top. I'm gonna make this one blue. I got these food colorings from Wish, guys, and I actually really like it because of the little nozzle. It doesn't make a mess. And like, this one makes a giant mess. So yeah, just had to mention that. I got it from Wish for like $3 and I'm very happy. Alright, so for this one, I want to try and make it to like a winter slime. So first, we're going to put the slime like this. We're going to do a little bit of ASMR mixing really quick, guys. Well, it melted. I have no idea why. I thought it would get harder. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get some activator. I think I got all like the chunks, like almost all of it out. Now we're gonna add a bunch of sprinkles, not sprinkles, glitter. This is holographic glitter because I really love how it looks. Because it's like thick holographic glitter so you can see it a lot. I think it looks cool. And then I'm gonna add these really cute little snowflake sprinkles that I got from Wish, and I love them. They're so cute to me because they're like literally little snowflakes and I love them so much. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, well this turned out to be so cute. You can't see the snowflakes that much, but they're still really cute. If you guys want me to do another one of these, and also your favorite slime. I think my favorite would probably be this winter butter or something like that. It's so nice. Anyways, that is it. Love you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!